What if I told you you can start earning money using AI, even as a beginner? No big investment, no advanced skills, just smart work. In this video, I'll show you real ways to make money using AI in 2026. AI can help you start freelancing easily. Use tools like ChatGPT for writing content, Canva for creating designs. You can offer services like blog writing, social media posts, logo design. Start selling on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. You don't need a camera to start YouTube. Use AI tools to write scripts, generate voiceovers, create videos. Many creators are earning money by running faceless YouTube channels using AI. You can create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, online courses. Use AI to create content quickly and sell it on platforms like Etsy or your own website. AI can help you grow on social media faster, create viral posts, captions, and reels using AI tools. Once you grow your audience, you can earn through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, brand deals,